Welcome to Team Coco. We're about to have our first fight. So we made a bracket.
Oh, we forgot something.
What?
We forgot to put me on here.
We've got sweet, sour, savory snacks, and miscellaneous. First up in the sweet, we've got Skittles and Jolly Ranchers.
Ready, fight!
Lime green Skittles or apple green Skittles?
I don't know, what do you like better?
Apple.
I do too. Apple's pretty fire.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's go with the apple Skittles.
Then Skittles win in that.
I don't know.
They beat out Jolly Ranchers.
I'll suck the life out of a Jolly Rancher.
So is that you saying Jolly Ranchers over Skittles?
I think I'm going with Jolly Rancher over Skittles.
Listen, Skittles come in 2 forms. Or actually, like 5. Tropical Skittles, sour Skittles.
But Jolly Ranchers are fire.
Okay, so you think Jolly Ranchers over Skittles?
That's my opinion. Swayed me.
Skittles are delicious. And you can eat more of them, you know? I'm saying Skittles.
I'll give you... Skittles have a nice little crunch.
Yeah. Yeah. And you can eat more of them.
Alright. They're crunchy boys.
Yeah.
Alright, crunchy boys for the win.
This one is actually gonna be tough.
Licorice and airheads. Alright.
Ready, fight!
So what licorice are we talking about? We talking about old school red vines or Twizzlers?
Yeah, that matters. I like them both equally.
I don't. I like the red vines way better.
You never had Australian licorice, huh?
I have had Australian licorice.
Oh, then that's the best kind. But airheads, though, that mystery
Airhead,
flavor.
ooh, mystery flavor. I used to grab the airhead and just shake the shit out of that package until it was like a little nub, and I would just gnaw on it. Can't tell me you never gnawed on that airhead nub.
Is that like, have you ever got a Hawaiian roll and squished it down to a ball?
Yeah, oh, that's exactly what I'm talking about. See? Airhead.
Yeah, but licorice is so classic. I would probably choose airheads over licorice, to be honest. Or make people mad.
I don't know. That airhead nub gets me going.
Yeah.
I like nubs.
But there's some airhead flavors that suck. That's the only difference. Black licorice throws it all out.
Black
So gross.
yeah. Black licorice tastes like depression. For that reason, airheads.
Airheads, okay.
We're moving our way down into the sour category.
We have Sour Punch Straws versus Sour Patch Kids.
Ready, fight!
This is an easy win for me.
Before you talk, I don't like their attitude. How are they gonna be sour and then sweet? I'm not about that.
This is an easy win for me.
Yeah, forget those kids. Give me them straws.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay.
moving on.
Ready, fight!
This one, I'm annoyed.
You can be annoyed all you want, but old boomer gang over here
Yeah, boomer candy.
will suck on some lemon heads all day.
I've literally never had a lemonade. By choice. Alright, what's our competitor?
Then we have nerds. Also a classic. Come in many forms. Nerds get stuck in my teeth. You know what I do like though?
What?
I like the feeling in your mouth when there's like 30 of them in there and it's just like, it's like gravel but it tastes good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You're like, this is gravel, but it tastes like outrageous watermelon.
So we're going with nerds?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's go with nerds. Let's go
Okay.
with nerds.
Okay. Right, we're moving to savory.
Alright.
Okay, first bracket, jerky and pretzels.
Ready, fight!
That crunch though.
Oh, you love jerky.
Yeah, but that crunch though. Crunch, crunch. you ever just put like the pretzel sticks like in your mouth and have like 6 of them and pretend like you're a hillbilly? No? Just me? Okay.
I'm going jerky.
Yeah, I'm going jerky also.
Next round. Goldfish, cheddar Ruffles.
Ready, fight.
What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think?
What are you thinking?
I asked you first.
I asked you first.
Uno reverse.
Damn it. All right. I'm going Goldfish because...
Because you know I'm going cheddar Ruffles, is that why?
No.
Yeah.
How can you not be like, all right, little fishy, time to die.
Cheddar fucking Ruffles.
You can't tell me.
We're gonna lose any fans that we might get.
Goldfish are so fire.
It's cheddar Ruffles.
Goldfish. You can't tell me it's not satisfying to just chomp the head off a fish.
It is.
Like,
I'm not saying goldfish aren't good. I'm saying cheddar
Right.
Ruffles are better.
They're fire.
Cheddar Ruffles win.
I think we're about to have our first fight.
Cheddar Ruffles win.
Why?
Because they're fucking amazing.
So are Goldfish.
Cheddar Ruffles have a burst of flavor.
It
Goldfish
says
have a very like
right
monotone flavor.
right on the bag, burst of flavor baked right in. They're healthier for you because they're baked.
Cheddar Ruffles. Cheddar Ruffles. Cheddar Ruffles. Cheddar Ruffle.
Listen, I gave you Skittles.
What? Take your fucking Jolly Ranchers. Take it. Take. You said crunch. You said crunch.
I gave you Skittles.
No, you bull.
I gave you Nerds.
You did not.
I suck on those lemon heads all day.
Roll the clip.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go with the Nerds. Let's go
Okay.
with Nerds.
Okay. I will change both of these for you if you let me have cheddar Ruffles.
Changes the game. Listen.
2,000 years later.
I am gonna pretend like I don't hide a bag of Goldfish in my desk at work, and we're gonna go cheddar Ruffles so that she doesn't stab me in my sleep.
Good choice. Good choice. Are you serious? If that one's deadly, I'm gonna be. That's why I'm gonna stab you in your sleep.
We're in our miscellaneous category now. All right.
Oreos versus Twix.
Ready, fight.
And I swear to God, if I smell that fart right now.
Ooh, this is a tough one because like, if you give me a box of Oreos, I'll do a line right there.
Okay, whoa. Double stuffed?
Every time.
Is that what we're competing against the Twix?
Yeah, double stuff.
Easy win. Easy win, double stuffed.
But those Twix.
You were just.
I said this is
rooting for
tough.
Oreo.
I'm describing each of them. Oreos, I'll come home and do a line of those Oreos. Just, but with my mouth. And then Twix, though, ooh, it's crunchy and chewy. Did you ever, as a kid, just eat the caramel off the top?
No.
And then leave the cookie for last?
Maybe. I think I did actually.
Someone has to have done that.
Yeah.
I'm not the only crazy person.
Well, yeah, you are probably, but like for different reasons. What are you saying? Double stuffed or Twix? I like Twix. Honestly, this would be a tie for me. I'm gonna let you have this one because I'm.
Despite her not being able to choose a side because she's afraid, I think I can agree that Oreos are gonna win this one.
Oreos. It's that double
Oreos.
stuff.
Double stuff.
But honestly, if it was regular Oreos, I'd probably choose Twix.
I probably would too.
Next round. It's very near and dear to our hearts. Marzipan versus Nutter Butters.
Ready, fight.
For those of you that don't know what marzipan is, you're uncultured and you're a disappointment to your family, and you should probably, I don't know, use Google.
We're gonna be the only weirdos that are like hyping up marzipan, and everyone's
like,
watching
what is
this
marzipan? They're gonna Google it and be like, almond paste? What? It's fire.
You should put Fig Newtons in here.
Fig Newtons suck ass. Fig Newtons suck. Yo, Fig is fire though. Just not the Newton.
Hey, you gonna diss on my man Isaac like that? So this is easy for us. We're not, it's disrespectful to marzipan to even argue it.
1, 2, 3, Nutter Butters.
You're lying. I know you're lying.
But marzipan is so expensive for how little you get. It's almost like a tease. It's like, come dance on my lap, don't touch. And you're like, oh, here's $20.
For one little nugget of marzipan. Marzipan is super rich. Yeah. You could eat like 20 Nutter Butters and still be hungry.
But marzipan, you're like, please sir, can I have some more?
It's so filling and so good. Marzipan wins. Alright.
I'm going marzipan. Marzipan. We've finished the Sweet 16. We're into Elite 8. Alright. We're going to circle back to sweet. Skittles or airheads.
Ready, fight.
We're going crunch versus that nug.
Airheads.
That nug is fire.
Yeah.
I feel like that's not even a fair game.
Airheads. That mystery flavor.
Mystery. That white mystery flavor.
Skittles just doesn't offer us enough.
Right.
There's no malleability with Skittles.
Your crunch is not enough for that nug.
Mm-mm. And you only get like 2 red ones, and then like Airheads, you get like good flavors.
Going with the Airhead nug.
Alright.
Hashtag nug life. Circling down to sour category. Straws or nerds?
Ready, fight.
This is easy for me. Is it easy for you?
It's not as easy as you. She makes my life easy. So sweet.
What's your vote?
Between the two, your vote straws?
Absolutely.
I think I'm straws too.
All that just for you to say straws.
Yeah.
Alright.
I like to keep them waiting. You know? Keep them thinking. What is he gonna say?
Weird flex.
Alright, up to savory.
Savory.
Jerky or cheddar ruffles. What are you talking about?
It's the football song. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, the NFL Sunday?
Yeah. Alright, jerky, cheddar ruffles.
What are your thoughts?
You know my thoughts.
Cheddar ruffles are fire. Not that I think they're better than Goldfish, but jerky is so good.
If we're putting Slim Jims in the jerky category, it will absolutely beat out cheddar ruffles for me.
I mean, regular jerky's so much better than Slim Jims, though.
We're not gonna have this fight. I'm just saying if we're putting Slim Jims in the jerky category.
Jerky is better than Slim Jims.
We are not having our first fight right now.
Jerky is better than Slim Jims, but we're going with jerky.
If Slim Jims are in this category, then we're on the jerky.
We've got, in the miscellaneous,
Oreos versus Marzi.
Ready, fight.
to me, this is closer than Tegan wants to admit. You can't hide from the truth. Marzipan, it's good, it's sweet, but it's hard to find and it's expensive.
But it's consistent.
Oreos are fire every time.
Rich versus you eat 20 and you don't understand why you're buying another bag because you just ate all the Oreos from the other bag.
I want to get home and do a line, okay?
You can do
Of
an
Oreos.
expensive line of marzipan.
There's no lines of marzipan. Sometimes I just do
Marzipan comes in a log. You can snort that log right up.
I didn't say snort. Whoa. Marzipan does come as a log.
If you're choosing, if I said, here's an Oreo, here's some marzipan, take your pick. You're choosing marzipan every time. Don't tell me that you're not, because you are.
Why are you gonna get... Yeah, I guess if you take out the fact that I don't have to buy it, I'm going marzipan.
Okay. That was enough for me. Everyone watching this video is about to go out and buy marzipan. Marzipan, sponsor us.
Marzipan, sup dog. Final four time. Alright, we're balancing the sweet versus the sour. We've got airheads versus sour punch straws.
Ready, fight.
Alright, with this one, I'm going with those sweet nubs, airheads. What? You don't like the nubs?
Over straws.
Yeah. We're going airheads.
Maybe you, but not we.
I'm sorry, I lost my cool. I like the nubs. The chewy, yummy goodness.
Yes, they're exactly. You just described sour punch straws.
To me, sour punch straws, you chew them like this.
Same with airheads.
Because
Same with airheads.
it's like you're chewing battery acid.
So do you want to go back to our friend Lemonhead over here and talk about battery acid eating? You boomer.
Listen, back in my day, you were given a lemon head and told to enjoy it.
Alright, so I'll be more fair. We can open discussion. What do you guys think? They said straws. If I'm gonna eat like a bunch of these though, I'm probably going airheads because the straws, you can only eat like a couple till you're like, well. I'll give you airheads.
Airheads.
Alright?
Listen.
I'll give you this one.
I sacrificed in the early rounds. Airheads is coming through. Thank you for your grace.
Our final two, savory versus miscellaneous, jerky and marzipan.
Ready, fight.
I'm going jerky.
You are not.
I am going jerky.
You are not. You're. You are not.
This is so loud.
All right. Are you calm now?
I'm calm. I'm calm. I'm calm.
You.
I'm calm.
You know you like marzipan better.
Jerky. Who bought who $50 worth of beef jerky?
You bought me $50 worth of beef jerky.
Why did I buy you $50 worth of...
Because I like it, alright? But I like marzipan better, and I said it. I said it out loud.
Not once did she ask me to buy her marzipan.
Because I know you want it. Marzipan is so expensive.
$50 beef jerky. We know who the real winner is. She's lying to you, betraying your trust.
Are Slim Jims in the jerky category?
Slim Jims are in the jerky category.
Then jerky wins.
See, there we go. That's all we needed.
All right,
Jerky
but
wins.
I love marzipan. All right.
All right.
Don't tell
There's
her.
no...
Don't tell her that she's the second best.
There's no denying that marzipan is fire. And she's not second best, she's fourth best.
Shh.
Okay.
She doesn't need to know. What she doesn't know won't hurt her.
Who is the snack champ?
Me?
Alright? I need the vote of Thick Boy Nation. It's hard because I love them nubs. But I love them jerkies.
Ready, fight.
I'm going jerky.
I'm going jerky as well because Slim Jims.
Do we have a winner?
We do.
Thank the Lord for thy beef.
Boom. I think we should do this more often, and I think they should suggest to us what categories we should make battle next.
Yeah. It's really healthy for you guys to give us tips on how to fight each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, the more arguments we have, the better.
Yeah. You're our therapist, so we're paying you for this time, and we're going to need you to come through.
I'm dead inside.
Anyways, bye.